Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Alisa Khairunisa with student ID number D1A230047, regular morning class 1A. Here I will present a journal entitled The Use of the Lemongrass Extract as an Antibacterial Alternative for Staphylococcus epidermidis in a Deodorant Perfume Spray. My goal in making this video is to fulfill the final semester exam assignment with the lecture Miss Faurus H. Abkoria M.Hu. Here there are 7 important points that I will discuss, namely abstract, introduction, theoretical study, research method, research procedure, result and discussion, and finally the conclusion. On the first slide there is an abstract. This experimental research was aimed at determining the effectiveness of using perfume spray deodorant with lemongrass extract on Staphylococcus epidermidis bacterial activity and to find out the optimum concentration of lemongrass extract and perfume spray deodorant to reduce Staphylococcus epidermidis activity. The research method include 4 steps, namely preparing lemongrass extract, making perfume spray deodorant, conducting laboratory tests, and testing within a limited audience. This experiment revealed that lemongrass extract could potentially be used as an antibacterial Staphylococcus epidermidis. Making perfume spray deodorant from lemongrass extract consisted of 2 steps: preparing lemongrass extracts and mixing the lemongrass extract with alcohol and propylene glycol. Inhibition tests of lemongrass extract on the growth of Staphylococcus epidermidis use Mueller-Hinton media order. From the test result of each lemongrass extract in the concentration of 5% and 15% and 30%. Inhibition results were obtained. They were 0 mm, 0 mm, and 14 mm. While the inhibition of standard perfume spray deodorant in the market was 8 mm. Based on the result, it can be concluded that the inhibition of lemongrass extract on the growth of Staphylococcus epidermidis was effective and optimum at the concentration of 30%. Next, introduction. Body odor is a problem that interferes with daily life. Bad body odor often makes a person feel less confident. This unpleasant aroma usually appears when a person starts to sweat. Actually, sweating is an attempt to regulate human body temperature. Sweat contains water, salt, and waste substance from the body. There is sweat that smells, but there is also some that doesn't. Usually an unpleasant odor occurs with body odor, which is caused by the activity of the Staphylococcus epidermidis bacteria. To reduce body odor, you can use soap and water as a body wash when bathing, but this is relatively less active in preventing body odor. Therefore, many people prefer other, more practical alternative. For example, using deodorant. Deodorant is a product used to treat body odor. However, perfume spray deodorant has revealed advantage, launching being more practical, not sticky, does not leave stains on clothes, does not cause black underarms, and can be used anywhere at any time. Next, theoretical review. There are 3 parts, namely: first, lemongrass and Staphylococcus epidermidis bacteria and deodorant. Next, research methods. The research methods used in the experimental method. The research subject was lemongrass stem extracts. Meanwhile, the object of the research in the ability of lemongrass extracts to reduce the activity of the Staphylococcus epidermidis bacteria which causes body odor. The independent variables in the research were various concentration of lemongrass extract 5%, 10%, 15%. The dependent variable is the number of deaths of Staphylococcus epidermidis bacteria due to treatment with various concentration of lemongrass extract. Control variable, the number of the deaths of Staphylococcus epidermidis bacteria from perfume spray deodorant on the market. Research methods. Tools used: a set of steam distillation equipment, spray bottle, glass stirrer, 50 ml measuring cup, 200 ml beaker, 100 measuring flash, petri dish, incubator, wire tube, test tube, Bunsen heater, and micropipette. Materials used: lemongrass, distilled water, propylene glycol, and 95% alcohol. Deodorant perfume spray from lemongrass extract. Deodorant perfume spray on the market, distilled water, Mueller Hinton agar, Staphylococcus epidermidis culture, and hockey stick. Research procedure. 30 grams of Mueller Hinton agar media was weighed and dissolved in 1 liter of distilled water by boiling. After dissolving, sterilize by autoclaving at 1 to 1 degree Celsius for 15 minutes. The solution was poured into 4 sterile petri dishes to a thickness of 9 mm and covered, then left to freeze. Took 20 of the pure culture of Staphylococcus epidermidis. Poured the pure culture into each petri dish, then spread it flat with a hockey stick, making a small hole in the agar. Mueller Hinton dried in each petri dish. Put 10 each of standard deodorant perfume spray available on the market. Deodorant perfume spray from lemongrass extract 30% into a small hole. Put in the negative control and positive control to each Mueller Hinton agar in a petri dish. Cover the entire petri dish, invert and incubate in the entire petri dish in an incubator 37 for 24 hours. Next, result and discussion. The result obtained show the deodorant perfume spray with the basic ingredients of Cymbopogon nardus lemongrass extract with a concentration of 30% is very effective in reducing the activity of Staphylococcus epidermidis bacteria, namely by 14 mm. This result is even better when compared with sample of deodorant perfume spray on the market, which only can block as much as 8 mm. Meanwhile, concentration of 5% and 15% did not have any effect at all. This is possible because the active substance in lemongrass extract are not strong enough to reduce bacterial activity. The results obtained are based on the whether or not a resistance zone forms around the cylinder. Meanwhile, after carrying out statistical tests using the Staden test, the results were not significant between various variation in concentration and bacterial growth inhibition with a significance value of 211. This is caused by too little data being tested, no repetition of treatment for each concentration, no 0% control, too many zero value, and the range for each concentration is too wide. Next, conclusion. 1. The use of the lemongrass extract in deodorant perfume spray is very effective for reduce the activity of Staphylococcus epidermidis bacteria at the concentration of 30%. 2. The inhibitory power of each concentration is 0 mm for concentration of 5% and 10%, while 14 mm for a concentration of 30% when compared with the perfume spray deodorant on the market, namely by 8%. That's all I can explain. Sorry if there are any mistakes. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.